Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. So, will you tell us a bit about yourself?
Um, yeah, I'm 20 years of age. Um, I'm from Coventry in England. I was born in Abidjan, Côte d'Ivoire. Um, I'm of Afro-Lebanese origin, and I enjoy salsa.
So, what were you like as a child? What was baby Ali like?
I don't know. I don't think I was the happiest of all three babies. I think the middle brother was the happiest, so we're told. I think I was quite a sensitive child, quite emotional. But yeah, I don't really have much memory of my childhood. It's difficult.
What are you like now? How would you describe yourself?
Uh, I'd like to think of myself as easygoing. As empathetic towards other people, understanding of how other people feel and how to approach social situations. Difficult really, because you don't really you often question that the things you say or you think you are whether you actually are those things. So I don't know, anything I could be saying could be redundant, but I'm not sure.
What about your friends? How would your friends or maybe your parents describe you?
Strangely enough, quite emotional, quite sensitive at times, which I wouldn't have thought would be similar to how I was as a child, because it feels as if I've changed massively since then. No, I care a lot, so I think they'd say that.
So, what do you like to do in your free time?
I listen to quite a lot of music. Helps me calm down or change my mood if it's ever a negative one. I like to go on bicycle rides, especially when it's sunny. There's a reservoir by Reddish Vale that I've been going to a few times over the past few weeks, which is quite quiet. It's about 5 miles away, so it's not that far on bike, but it's away from the city, and it's just very quiet, quite relaxed. Yeah.
So, I know you're quite excited about something that you're going to be doing this month, right?
Yeah.
It's in August. Will you tell us a bit about that?
Yeah, so I'm working for a charity away in Jinja, Uganda, for 1 month. It was been through the uni that I've been able to get onto this onto this program. And the charity's called South International, and it works to reduce the number of street-connected children in Jinja, Uganda, by providing different sort of vocational, educational projects to enable to provide these kids and young adults with skills which they wouldn't have living on the streets. So hopefully that proves rewarding. I think I will enjoy going away. Yeah.
So, will you tell us a bit about maybe your family? Because you said that you had 2 brothers.
Yeah. So I've got 2 brothers, 1 foster brother. I did have a foster sister, but she is not with us anymore. She's moved away. And yeah, my parents split up not long ago. Actually, it was a very long time ago, like 8 years. The reason why I said not long ago is just because it still feels like it was 2010 yesterday, but now it's 2018. Wait, what was the question?
It was, tell us a bit about your family. What does family mean to you?
I suppose just a support network that's always there. Sort of having a backbone that you can go to and not expect judgment. I think that's pretty standard.
What's about friendship?
What does friendship mean to me? It's difficult. I can't really put into words. Yeah, no, it's just really difficult. I can't really find the words. Obviously, it's important, but I think you can take it for granted as well. And expect things from people that they don't actually have to provide. Because I don't know, I guess your friends don't really owe you anything, but no, friendship is tangible. It's different to everyone, and it comes in different forms. So I think that's really complicated to get into.
Do you think you're taken for granted? No, I think I'm appreciated. I think without my friendship, my friends would have a significantly worse time. But yeah. So you'd say you're a fun guy?
I would say so.
If you had a superpower, what would it be?
If
you could have a superpower, what would it be?
To be able to instantly know a language fluently once someone has spoken it. I think that would be cool. Because even if you didn't even know the name of the language, you could just know it and communicate with that that population. I think it would just be really fun going to remote places in the world and surprising people with this ability to learn their language when you've only just discovered who they are and where they come from. So hypothetically, I guess that would be my superpower.
What languages would you like to speak?
Oh, I would say French, Arabic, Spanish, and Timni, which is a tribal language in Sierra Leone.
We do know that you've been learning Arabic. Do you remember anything?
I do. It's whether you're asking about Fusha or Lebanese, really, that's the question. I can't remember a lot of Fusha, to be honest with you, but I think I'm learning Lebanese every day, so hopefully it'll get there.
Do you have a favourite Lebanese word?
Let me think about that, but I do have a favourite Fusha word. It's probably salsabil.
What does it mean?
I think it means fountain of some sort.
Why Salsabil?
I just like the name, the way it sounds.
It's also a name.
Yeah. Yeah, that's why I thought of it, because it's potentially what I'd name my future child, maybe. Yeah.
What?
You said you want to name a child. You're thinking about the future now.
Yeah. I think I always think about the future. Whether that's with the people that are in the present or the people that aren't. Yeah. I think it's quite natural to as well, because everyone's quite apprehensive about what will happen to them and where they'll be. No one wants to be a failure as well. So that's what brings about apprehension about the future.
What is your superpower? What is your greatest strength, do you think?
Is this a job interview? You see, I'm very pessimistic, so I probably don't even know that myself. If I did, I'd tell you though, don't worry.
Where do you see yourself in 10 years?
Hopefully reading and writing and speaking fluent Arabic. That is a dream of mine. Not living in this country, for one. I think I've already decided that I don't really want to live here permanently when I'm older. I don't think the culture and the place really suits who I am. But that decision's obviously still pending. So we'll see how that goes.
So many questions. Where would you go? Who are you? What kind of culture do you think fits who you are?
Ooh. Start again, please.
So you said you want to move somewhere that fits your personality.
Represents me
Represents
more.
you. Where do you think in the world would represent you more? Where are you thinking of moving to if you could?
I think somewhere where I have more family. I went away to Sierra Leone in April and discovered that I could well live there, potentially. That would be my dream, I think, if I had the opportunity to. I think life in Africa generally is quite calm and chilled. Aren't so much social pressures, and there aren't so much financial pressures. You find that people are happier with a lot less as well. And yeah, obviously the weather's a lot better, and I think that has a massive effect on your mood, your motivation, and yeah, just getting up for the day really.
What kind of parent do you think you'll be?
Oh, I do surprisingly think about this quite a lot, so that's a good question. It's hard to say really, because I think the answer is influenced by who you'll eventually be with. Because I suppose it's just a partnership, isn't it? It's not one person's job to be a parent, but both people within the partnership to be a parent. One thing's for sure, I definitely want them to learn Arabic. So if I can be able to pick that up enough by the time that happens, then that'll be good.
Why Arabic?
It's my family's first language. It's one of the most beautiful languages spoken on this earth. It's so complex. And it's just so much better than English. So much better. Yeah.
If you could change one thing in the world, what would you like to change?
I would say the British Empire. I would change that so it would never ever have happened. Yeah, that is my short-term answer.
Do you want to elaborate on that?
Might get a bit depressing now. I think it's just safe to say that they've fucked up a lot of people's country. This government. This country in the past. I think, yeah, just imperialism has quite obviously done a lot of wrong in the world, so no one really has the right to go into someone else's country and to control how that country is run or what comes from that country. And there's definitely no excuse for the West. So, despite them thinking they're above the rules, but yeah.
I know you like to do meditation. Why meditation?
I think it's quite a quick way to ground yourself. It's easy to get into it. It's scary how effective it can be as well. Yeah.
What have you learned from doing it?
Not to take your thoughts too literally. I think mostly as well that your thoughts aren't you, they aren't the person you are, and they're more just kind of sporadic ideas that occur in your mind as a result of your surroundings. And I still really haven't understood this, but not to be too harsh on yourself. Yeah.
What are you most thankful for?
My mother. I think that's pretty obvious. Yeah, without her, a lot wouldn't have happened today, so.
Are you close to your mother?
I am very close to my mom, yeah. She's very special to me, very special lady.
What is one thing you wish you knew how to do? Or something you wish you were better at?
I wish I knew languages fluently.
What's something you can't go a day without doing?
Riding my bike. They're like my wings. So, bird can't really do much without wings, right?
So, I like your shirt. Will you tell us a bit about it?
Yeah.
Why are you wearing this?
I bought it from Sierra Leone. There's 2 peacocks. There's one on the back, which is my favourite. And then there's one on the front. This one's called Aminata. And the back is called Kadiatu. When I went away in Easter, I decided to go crazy and buy loads of Afrocentric clothes. Went to the market, loads of different patterns, which were really nice and pretty, and then just found a tailor to take my measurements and make me some clothes. So this wasn't one of them, this was just a shirt I bought, but yeah.
You like fashion?
Yeah, I think so. I like to dress well. I like to just look representable. I think it's important too. It's kind of representation of your personality, I think. Yeah, I'd say so.
Personality?
What's my personality? Vibrant and colourful.
What makes you happy?
Not having to worry about anything. There's not a lot I need to worry about right now. But just having no stresses. Sunny days, barbecues, flowers, the sound of water. It's just on the coast. The natural reverb.
What makes you sad?
The fact that Pre-Aperugi is going away in December. Don't get me started.
When was the last time you done?
It wasn't actually that long ago.
You don't have to answer if you don't want to.
Just stress, really. Yeah.
What made you laugh recently?
What has made me laugh recently? Oh, this is busy.
Oh, what's
Can you
that?
see it? Busy. Sunflower seeds.
Do you like sunflower seeds?
I love sunflower seeds. I've gotten very good at eating them as well. I'm quite quick. So maybe we can do a challenge one day.
Do you challenge everyone watching this
I challenge everyone watching this
to
to break my record
of
of 16 sunflower seeds in 1 minute.
Are you a hamster?
I am a hamster.
Okay, so to end this video, tell us what is one piece of advice that you would like to give me, Perry, and anyone watching, and future Ali. Just one piece of advice, something that you think everyone should know.
About what? About anything? I don't know. I don't really know how to answer that question without sounding too cliche.
That's okay. these questions were cliche, but we got something out of them.
Okay. Wait, so what was the question?
Give us one piece of advice that
Oh,
you
advice,
think,
yeah.
Everyone watching should
Right.
know.
Get out and enjoy the sunshine. It's not going to be around for long, especially in this country. That's pretty much it.
Thank you, Ali.
إلى اللقاء.
إلى اللقاء.
Bye. Thank you.